Mastering Decision-Making Skills, a deep dive. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of any job interview, assessing your decision-making skills. Regardless of the job position or field, employers value employees who can make informed decisions. So, let's uncover how you can best demonstrate and improve upon this skill. Decision-making is the process of choosing the best possible option from several alternatives. It involves evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of each option, considering potential outcomes, and making an informed choice. Effective decision-making is crucial in both our professional and personal lives. 1. Demonstrates leadership. Whether you're in a managerial role or not, showing you can make decisions indicates potential for leadership. 2. Problem solving. Often, making a decision is the final step in the problem-solving process. 3. Time management. Swift and efficient decision-making can help manage time better and reduce procrastination. To understand how well you make decisions, consider the following. 1. Reflect on past decisions. Think about the decisions you've made in the past. Were they effective? Did they bring about desired results? 2. Feedback from others. Ask colleagues or supervisors about your decision-making. Sometimes, external perspectives offer insights we might overlook. 3. Your decision process. Analyze the steps you take. Do you hastily jump to conclusions, or do you weigh all options? 4. Outcome analysis. After making a decision, did it lead to the outcome you expected? Improving this skill is a journey, but here are some steps to guide you. 1. Gather information. The more informed you are, the better your decision will be. 2. List down pros and cons. Visualizing the benefits and drawbacks can clarify the decision. 3. Trust your instincts. Sometimes, your gut feeling might guide you towards the right decision. 4. Seek advice. Remember, it's okay to ask for help or opinions. 5. Review and reflect. After making a decision, review the outcomes and reflect on what you could have done differently. Decision-making is an integral part of our lives. As you prepare for job interviews, understanding and showcasing this skill can set you apart. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes along the way. What's important is the learning process. We hope this video has shed light on how to assess and improve your decision-making skills. Until next time, happy learning!